All right, let's get in how I lost today trading. So this is what the charts looked like going into the day on the 1 hour time frame right here. And obviously we had the London low and then Asian low resting. We had these equal 1 hour lows. But to be honest, I was kind of bullish because here we had a lot of low resistance, high time frame liquidity. And it's a similar situation on NQ, except for the fact that all these highs had been swept out and there was only one remaining. But overall, I'm telling you, I knew that price was going to go up. Now, what I failed to see is that, like, obviously when we have these lows resting down here, we probably first need to come take them out and then distribute higher, right? So manipulate lower and then distribute. So right here, obviously the market opened, chop, whatever. We got all this. Here are my executions. And then where price went up, I saw it went down on NASDAQ, right? Yeah, we created like a bullish SMT at market open. This right here. And then obviously ES was just much higher up. And any bearish price action was just getting invalidated. So I was like, okay, price is probably not going to come down and just go immediately up and just continue higher. Because on NQ it was lower, but then on ES it was also higher up. So also after NQ made this move down, I was like, oh, that this was going to be the final move, but turns out it wasn't. Then here I saw another bullish SMT, right? This. And so then I see NQ in versus this fair value gap, along with the fact that ES had been in bullish price action this entire time. Also, the 5-minute was bullish price action, and we also had filled the 5-minute fair value gap. So, actually, we had not yet filled the 5-minute gap, but after we did fill it, and that's why I took my second entry. But for the first one, I saw that price simply filled the equilibrium of this range, filled it. Nice, it got a nice fill. Then we pushed higher. I thought it was going to continue higher. And then I entered stops down here. I got stopped out in one single candlestick. That was insane. So then after that, obviously we had another gap here. So then I entered in longs with stops down there this time. And then obviously targeting the same exact thing, which were these highs, all this low resistance high. And then, yep, also got stopped out. So probably I should have waited for the lows to get swept out first, and then, because if you guys can see, just look at this, bro. Every target and more got hit. Like this is just crazy. But yeah, that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.